What makes someone go from a regular childhood to becoming one of the most recognized faces in Turkish cinema? Today, we'll uncover the fascinating life of Burak Özçivit, a man whose charm, talent, and perseverance have made him a global icon. But did you know that before fame, he had an entirely different career in mind? Stay with us to learn all about his inspiring journey. Born on December 24, 1984, in Istanbul, Turkey, Burak Özçivit grew up in a close-knit family with strong cultural roots. He spent his early years in the bustling streets of Istanbul, where dreams seemed both near and far. Burak was not born into a family of actors. Instead, his father was a tailor, and his mother focused on raising him and his sister, Bursin. Despite this humble background, young Burak showed a spark for creativity. As a teenager, he wasn't thinking about acting or modeling. Instead, he was deeply interested in architecture and eventually enrolled in Marmara University's Faculty of Fine Arts. This strong academic foundation would later play a surprising role in shaping his meticulous approach to his acting career. Burak's journey to fame wasn't straightforward. It all started when he was scouted as a model during his university years. With his striking good looks and confident personality, he quickly gained attention in the fashion world. In 2005, he participated in the Best Model of Turkey competition and won second place. This milestone opened doors to numerous opportunities, eventually leading him to represent Turkey in the Best Model of the World competition. But Burak wasn't content with just modeling. Driven by a passion for storytelling, he transitioned to acting. His first notable TV role was in the series XC18 in 2006. Though his role was small, it was enough to ignite a fire within him. He realized that acting was more than just a profession. It was his calling. Burak's breakthrough came in 2010 with the popular Turkish drama Küçük Sırlar, a Turkish adaptation of Gossip Girl. His portrayal of Çetin added layers of complexity and charm to his persona, making him a household name in Turkey. But it was his role as Malka Koglubali Bey in the historical series Muhteşem Yüzyıl, Magnificent Century, that turned him into an international star. His performance captivated audiences across the globe, showcasing his versatility as an actor. In 2015, Burak cemented his place in the hearts of fans with Sevda, Endless Love, a romantic drama that became a global phenomenon and even won the International Emmy Award for Best Telenovela. His portrayal of Kemal Soydra, a man torn between love and revenge, showed his emotional depth and solidified his status as a leading man. Over the years, Burak has earned numerous awards for his outstanding performances, including Best Actor awards from prestigious ceremonies like the Seoul International Drama Awards and Turkey's Golden Butterfly Awards. But his most significant achievement isn't just the trophies. It's the millions of fans who admire him for his hard work, humility, and dedication to his craft. Behind the camera, Burak is a devoted family man. He married actress Fariye Evcen in 2017, and their love story is nothing short of a fairy tale. The couple welcomed their son, Karen, in 2019, and Burak often shares glimpses of his fatherhood journey on social media, winning the hearts of fans worldwide. Beyond his family life, Burak is known for his philanthropic efforts. From supporting children's education to participating in charity events, he consistently uses his platform to give back to society. Burak's journey hasn't been without challenges. From intense public scrutiny to managing a demanding schedule, he's faced his fair share of hardships. But it was his resilience during tough times that inspired many. One notable challenge was balancing his acting career with personal responsibilities. Despite these pressures, Burak never compromised on his commitment to his craft, proving that success comes to those who persevere. From his modeling days to becoming